Hey Torklift fans, this is Ben here with Torklift Central, and I'm just here to talk about a truck we had in our shop today. This is a 2023 Toyota Tundra, and we did a tonneau cover. It was a BakFlip G2 from Bak Industries. And we do a lot of tonneau covers here, especially with the weather, northwest weather. It's always pouring down rain, except right now. As you can see, the sun's directly in my eyes, which is nice. Also a northwest tradition. So the cool part about these tonneau covers is that when your tailgate's shut, you can't open it. Right? So it kind of locks it in. So as long as you have a lock on your tailgate, which this Tundra does, it locks your tailgate or locks your tonneau cover. So your bed, nobody can access it, which is nice. So let me show you how the functions real quick. Just open up do the unlock real quick, unlock it, go ahead and hit the button, open up the tailgate, and then underneath here, all you have is just a little cable, and that cable you're just gonna lift up, just like that. And you're going to do that every step of the way because this is a folding tonneau cover. So just nicely folds, it locks into position here. So if I don't pull that cable, it locks in there so you have half your bed open. Or you just keep going all the way down, just like that. And then when you're done, you get to the very end, you can actually lift it up and it just hangs out right there, just like that. So now you have access to all your bed space. And then when you're done, you can lock up your tools, lock up your equipment, your stadium gear, whatever you got going on, you tailgating, whatever you decide to do in your bed of your truck, you can lock that in there. So now you just shut it, and then again, you can't access it. So again, come down to Torklift Central. We do tonneau covers. We get them in here pretty frequent, obviously because of the weather. But if you have any questions, give us a call, 253-854-1832. We are your local experts and your non-so local experts. So just give us a call and we'll help you out and get you quoted. Have a great day.